Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to share about icebreaking for online learning. Number 2. The title is What is A to Z? What is J? The capital city of Indonesia. Yes, Jakarta. Next question. What is M? The English for Majalah. Okay, magazine. What is Z? You can see many kinds of animals in this place. Yeah, the answer is zoo. What is T? 5 plus 5. Good. 10. Next. What is B? A beautiful island in Indonesia. Alright, Bali. That is the sample of online learning ice breaking. You as the teacher can make some more questions. Thank you.